Welcome to Storytime with the Northeast Regional Library System. I'm Robin McCoy, the Assistant Librarian at the E Allen Library in Boonville, Mississippi. Today we'll be reading There is a Bird on Your Head, written and illustrated by Willems.
Piggy! Is something on my head?
Yes, there is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They're in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They're lovebirds.
Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds?
They're making a nest.
Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
Eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay. I will try asking. Excuse me, birds? Will you please go somewhere else?
No.
It worked!
Bye!
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for joining us.